At Elachee Nature Science Center, a field trip goes beyond a day away from the classroom. It's where learning comes to life. Students learn about science by seeing it firsthand. Our programs are intentionally designed to support life and earth science standards, giving students the opportunity to explore concepts in real, tangible ways through observation, investigation, and discovery. And along the way, learning expands.
Students collect and analyze data, applying math in a meaningful context. They describe what they see, reflect on their experiences, and build critical literacy skills. They connect to the land, the region, and the story of this place, bringing local, place-based social studies to life. It all builds on what's already happening in the classroom, giving students something to connect to and build on long after the day is over.
As a former public school administrator, I know how important it is for field trips to be more than just a fun time. They need to be intentional. That's what makes Elachee different. Students are actively learning, teachers are supported, and every moment helps bring classroom learning to life.
For many students, this is more than a lesson. It's their first real connection to nature, and those moments stay with them. Because when students connect with the natural world, it becomes something they carry with them long after the day is over. Plan your visit today and experience why Elachee is more than just a field trip.